Welcome back kids. Today we are going to learn English subject. Here in this subject we will learn unit number 7, lesson number 5, the monkey and the log. Okay. Now look here. It's your textbook page number 70, the monkey and the log. Okay. Now this lesson about the monkey and one log. What is log? Log means a thick piece of wood that has fallen or been cut from a tree. So, thick and big piece of wood. This is log. Okay. So, we will see that what is in this story. I will read it and you listen carefully. Okay. Here. Once upon a time, certain workmen were busy building a temple. When it was noon, Ram Rao, let's go to the town for lunch. Then Shamrao is there. Okay, Shamrao, I will just put a wedge here and come. Let's hope no one touches that wedge while we are away. Now in this paragraph we can see that here are two persons in the story and they are workmen. They were building a temple. They are busy to building a temple. Okay, but now when it was noon, that time they want to take a lunch. Okay, and they thought that no one can touch the wedge till they return. Okay, now we'll see what happened next. Suddenly a monkey arrived. Then what is this piece of wood doing here? I wonder that will happen if I pull it out. Oof! It's dough. Out it came. Help! Okay, the gap closed in trapping the monkey's tail. The poor monkey cried in pain. So, we should not meddle with things that are not concerned to us. Okay, now here is a one word wedge. Wedge means a piece of wood with one thick and one thin pointed end that you can push into small space. For example, to keep things apart. Means here is a one big log and the two workmen put the wedge to take apart this log. Okay, so here is suddenly one monkey arrived and this monkey was very naughty. The monkey is curious about this wedge. The monkey said that, what is this? It's a piece of wood doing here. What is it doing here? The monkey said. And then the monkey tried to pull it. And he pulled it out. And that time he's still trapped in the gap of the log. Okay, there were a big log and Shamrao and Ramram put a piece of wood, means wedge, there in the gap. Okay, so but when the monkey pull it out, then the tail of monkey is trapping in this gap. And that time this monkey cried in a pain. Okay, the poor monkey cried in a pain. So that's not work of the monkey, but he did naughtiness. So he is cried in a pain. Okay, so in this story we can learn that we should also not meddle with things which are not concerned to us. This is the moral of the story. What? We should not meddle with things that are not concerned to us. मतलब जो चीज़ है हमारे काम की है ही नहीं या हमें कुछ उसके बारे में मालूम ही नहीं है तो ऐसी चीज़ों को हाथ नहीं लगाना चाहिए. Now look here, meddle. Meddle means to take too much interest in somebody's private affairs or to touch something that does not belongs to you. Means ऐसी चीज़ें जो हमसे बिलोंग ही नहीं करती उनको हाथ नहीं लगाना चाहिए. This is the meaning of meddle. Okay, now in this lesson there are some words also. So in the page number on the page number 71 there are some words. This is exercise number 2. So you have to write these words and write 5 times in your English notebook. And after that there is a one exercise, complete the following phrases. This is your second homeworks. Okay, so write new words 5 times and these exercise of complete the following phrases. So you have to done it in your English notebook. These are the words: workman, temple, touch, suddenly, wonder, building, wage, lunch, arrived, medal, trapping, and concern. These are the words which are on the page number 71. Okay, and this is the second homework. Complete the following phrases which I told you. This is once upon a time there were two friends, means one is done for us, and the second is once upon a time there was, you can also write that there was a monkey. Okay, then third is once upon a time there were, so you can write here two workmen building a temple. Okay, and number 4 is I wonder what will happen if I climb up on a tree. You can also write that. Then 5th, I hope what, no one touch this log. Yeah, no one touch sharpen things. Okay, so you can fill these phrases as you like. Okay, so thank you. Bye. Take care.